Gagawin na po Museum of Natural History ang opisina ng Department of Tourism sa Maynila. Kalikasan ang tema ng museo at world class ang magiging itsura nito. Balita natin ni Bam Alegre.
Aalis na ang Department of Tourism sa opisina nito malapit sa Rizal Park. Pero ang pamamaalam na ito para pa rin daw sa kampanyang It's More Fun in the Philippines. Ang iiwan ng gusali kasi ng DOT, gagawing Museum of Natural History na pang world class. Dito sa ating kinatatayuan, bubuksan ang Museum of Natural History. Isa raw ito sa bubuo sa Museum Precinct of Manila dahil sa tapat nito, nabuksan na Museum of the Filipino People na dating gusali ng Department of Finance. Malapit din dito ang National Gallery of Art na dating Senado.
Maganda po to kasi makikita natin kung ano yung mga endemic na mga plants and animals sa Pilipinas. It's very good na they're maintaining the facade. At one point in history, itong buong area ng Luneta, Taft Avenue, were built according to Daniel Burnham's plan na classical look.
Hindi halos papalitan ng exterior ng gusali na itinayo pa bago ang World War II. Sa halip, sasailalim lang ito sa retrofitting. At dahil kalikasan ang tema ng Museum of Natural History, maglalagay ng Tree of Life na hugis DNA sa gitna ng gusali. Gagamit din ng teknolohiyang makakalikasan tulad ng solar panels at rainwater harvesters. Ang konsepto ng museo nagmula sa mag-asawang si Architect Dominic Galicia at interior designer na si Tina Periquet.
They were in a room full of leaf specimens. And so we asked one of the scientists, what is the purpose of collecting all the leaf specimens? What is it you're after? And he said what we're after is DNA.
But we didn't want it to look too organic, too messy. We didn't want it to look too solid. The tree actually embraces a glass elevator.
One day, school children would be able to enter this museum, especially through the group entrance in the ground level, and come in and see and be awed.
Bam Alegre, GMA News.